how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this we're going to talk about the first phone from Apple that you can fold. It would be something at Samsung Z Flip. Samsung Corporation already preparing the display for this phone. In display section it would come with two display. You will have one external display then one internal display. The external display would be something as same as iPhone, that would be 5.5 inches of display. The internal display would be a folding display that would be 7.8 inches. The phone when it's totally folded it would be 9 to 9.5 millimeter thickness. And when you will unfold the phone it would be from 4.5 to 4.8 millimeter thickness. According to the rumor, the inner display would have 4.3 aspect ratio for the inner display. The resolution of inner display would have 2713 into 1920, that is Ultra HD, and external display would be 2088 into 1422 resolution. Apple will use titanium chassis with the hinge construction from the combination of the titanium and stainless steel. Let's talk about the camera. Camera will not increase from iPhone Pro Max. It will be 48 megapixel camera. How many camera we are not still sure. And perhaps we will have a selfie camera that could be 24 megapixels, same as iPhone 17 would have. The phone obviously would have a Face ID, also would have some Touch ID. It would be some button using as a Touch ID in this case. The same button of Touch ID you would find today in iPad mini, iPad Air in these versions. And it's rumored that the battery power will increase. I don't know exactly how much. But today Apple iPhone 17 would have 5000 milliamp battery, but I think in this you will have more, maybe 6000 to 7000 milliamp battery. I'm just guessing. Price could be 2000 to 2500 US dollar, and euro could be 2200 to 2700 euros, little bit more in Europe. And other places the price would be differ, depend the taxes and other things. Now let's talk about the release date. As always it will be released on September, predicted in 2026 September. You're gonna see a foldable iPhone. I hope so. Okay guys, so these are some of the information we know about the first foldable iPhone. Okay guys, if you like this video please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.